the next generation of the syringe. Uniqsafe retractable safety syringe. In the following presentation, we are going to show you why is using the safety syringe so important, and how we are going to change the world and make the world safer with one small syringe. First of all, we will start with the reason of using the safety syringe. So, you're probably wondering, why do we need to use the safety syringe instead of the traditional syringe? What's the difference? A study conducted by the National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health, NIOSH, suggests that, each year in the United States, there are about 600,000 to 800,000 accidental needle stick injuries happen to healthcare workers. And 80% of the victims are infected with blood-borne disease, such as HIV, hepatitis B or hepatitis C, which caused huge cost of medical compensation. The average cost of the compensation is between $850 to $2,000. Each year, the total cost of accidental needle stick compensation is over billions of dollars. In order to ensure safety from accidental needle stick injuries, governments of various countries brought legislation in their respective countries, mandating the use of safety syringes. In 2000, the U.S. federal government signed the Needle Stick Safety and Prevention Act into a law, compelling the use of the safety syringe instead, across the healthcare facilities, to reduce injuries from needle stick and unsafe syringe usage. Similarly, the EU in 2006, Brazil in 2008 and Taiwan in 2012, have legislated to prevent from needle stick injuries. Also, WHO, UNICEF and UNFPA announced a joint statement on the use of the safety syringes in immunization services. The use of the safety syringe has become the global issue. The glass syringe was invented in 1853. And being used for 70 years after being replaced by the plastic disposable syringe for safety. And now, for the same reason, the safety syringe is going to replace the plastic syringe, and becoming the next generation of the syringe. After 2015, several countries and regions have completed legislation on the use of the safety syringe, such as the US and the EU. These legislations are expected to drive market growth by encouraging syringe companies to manufacture safety syringes in order to reduce injuries from needle stick and unsafe syringe usage. The safety syringe market is growing by 10% every year. According to the report, the usage of the safety syringe is continuously increasing. By 2020, the usage of the safety syringe will reach 60 billion pieces, accounting for 81.8% of total syringe usage. Using the safety syringe instead of the traditional syringe is an inevitable global trend. So, the question is, which safety syringe in the market are capable of leading the revolution? We believe it is the Uniqsafe retractable safety syringe that will be the leader. The Uniqsafe retractable safety syringe is the rotatable and retractable type of safety syringe. Available in 1 ml, 3 ml, 5 ml and 10 ml. It is registered as invention patent in 30 countries including the US and the EU. And is FDA 510K, CE, and ISO 13485 certified. The patented safety mechanism involves 3 parts of the syringe: the barrel, the needle coupler and the plunger. The protruded slots inside the internal hole of the front tip of the barrel, and the bosses at the external wall of the needle coupler, interlock with each other, to form a secure locking mechanism, thereby preventing shifting of the needle under any circumstances. A resilient pushing rod with leaf pattern teeth structure, are designed to couple the plunger with the needle coupler, and to rotate and angulate the needle when retracted into the barrel. The safety mechanism is engaged or disengaged, simply by rotating the plunger 30° clockwise or counterclockwise respectively. The operation of the Uniqsafe safety syringe is very simple and easy to learn. It has identical injection procedure as the traditional syringe. And it only takes 4 steps to activate the safety mechanism. Push, rotate, retract, and compress. After injection, the user can fully retract the plunger back into the barrel, reducing the possibility of exposed needles to harm the users. Final compaction of destroyed needles not only improves the safety but also reduces the cost and space of used syringes. Next, we're going to show you comprehensive competitive analysis of the Uniqsafe safety syringe in 4 aspects. We'll start with the operation. There are many kinds of safety syringes in the market, but none of them can really replace the traditional syringe. Why is that? It is because they may encounter some problems during operation. Because of their design, most safety syringes may cause shifting of the needle or false activation of their safety mechanisms in use. As a result, medication leakage or non-accurate dosage during medication withdrawing may occur, and become a waste of medical resources. Even worse, it may cause pain and discomfort to the patients during injection. After use, since the needle is not destroyed, the possibility of sharp injuries is not eliminated. Consequently, these products are not completely complied with FDA guideline for safety syringe, which makes them incapable of replacing the traditional syringe. Our product, the Uniqsafe safety syringe, on the contrary, has overcome all these problems. Based on our unique design, under any circumstances, there will be no shifting of the needle, which provides accurate measurement of medication. Accordingly, the coupling between the needle coupler and the plunger can be overwritten, and false coupling can be easily eliminated. In addition, when the needle is being retracted into the barrel, it will automatically slant and being destroyed to prevent exposure of the needle. After use, only a few parts remain, which is environmental friendly. Therefore, Uniqsafe safety syringe is the only product in the market that completely complies with the FDA guideline for safety syringe, and has the potential to take over the traditional syringe market. Overall, in aspect of operation, Uniqsafe safety syringe has identical injection procedure to the traditional syringe, is simple to use, requires only minimal additional training. The unique mechanical retraction design eliminates malfunction, and it completely complies with FDA guideline for safety syringe. Next, we'll talk about the structure. There are only a total of 8 parts to our product: needle protecting cap, needle hub, needle coupler, O-ring, barrel, piston, and plunger. Compared to the traditional syringe, we only have 2 more parts, the needle coupler and the O-ring, which makes us access to raw materials easier, thus a low-cost production. Regarding the O-ring, its flexibility and high resistance to temperature variation can provide a good seal to the Uniqsafe safety syringe, preventing from medication leakage. Also, it is an indicator of activation of safety mechanism. Then, to the fascinating part, the production line. It took a long time to research and develop the mass production line of the traditional syringe, from manual to fully automatic. After such effort, its capacity of production may reach 200 pieces per minute by now. For most safety syringes in the market, however, due to their complex design, it is very difficult for them to achieve fully automatic mass production. Some of them may need to be assembled manually. Their production capacity may reach 70 to 80 pieces per minute at most. But, because of our unique design, Uniqsafe safety syringe can skip the tedious R&D process and achieve mass production simply by modifying the manufacturing equipment of the traditional syringe. In addition, with our patented O-ring assembly machine, our production line is fully automatic and generates production capacity of 280 pieces per minute, about 100 million safety syringes annually. It is very much faster than the traditional syringe, not to mention other competitors, which makes Uniqsafe safety syringe very competitive in the market. Last but not least, the market. In the current market, safety syringes are much more expensive than the traditional syringe, pricing from 16 cents to $1.21. But, just as we mentioned before, the Uniqsafe safety syringe has advantages of low-cost structure and high-speed mass production. For that, the production of Uniqsafe safety syringe may cost nearly as much as the traditional syringe. And with worldwide invention patents and certification, making us the most competitive product in the market. In summary, Uniqsafe safety syringe has comprehensive advantages in operation, structure, manufacturing and market. Whether in functionality, safety, ease of operation, or product acceptance, we are far ahead of other competitors. In the future, the global market demands for 70 billion safety syringes each year. With our highly competitive product, we are ready to enter the global market and make the world safer than ever. Ladies and gentlemen, Uniqsafe safety syringe, the next generation of syringe.